Welcome back to the house. It is me, PBA Pro versus Madison, PWBA Pro in a 1v1. Let's get to bowling. Let me roll the sleeves down. It's a little tight on my armpits. I shot 235 in my warm-up game where I just typed in a bunch of strikes, so obviously I'm gonna win this game. Good luck.
Good luck.
Oh, sticky.
Ah, bummer.
The fact that it didn't fall makes me upset.
He always does.
Always. Not even surprised at this point.
Today we are bowling on a pretty challenging pattern. We're bowling on 39-foot winding road. So they're pretty hard. The bowling alley right now that we're bowling on is pretty hard, and then the pattern's pretty hard. You guys can fully expect Madison to win.
Take that!
He always
Take that.
does it!
Always. Not even surprised at this point.
It feels great. I'm cheering for you no matter what.
Whoa.
You're gonna see how she just consistently bullies me. I'm gonna tackle you on the approach.
I think you'd be the bully then.
Think about that while you're throwing this next shot. Were you thinking about it?
No, don't exactly know where to play.
I always just kind of play the same place, so urethane, reactive, doesn't matter. I am third arrow.
Woo, sticky.
Shoot her. Shoot her. Now I know a lot of you guys have commented on my questionable / poor diet while I'm on the road. Now I'll admit sometimes my diet when I'm on the road slacks a little bit, which is kind of why I'm bringing in today's sponsor for this video, AG1. AG1 is a nutrition supplement which provides nutrients for my body, my brain, and my gut. A lot of times for tournaments on the weekends, we gotta wake up really, really early. So it helps me kind of kickstart my day with a boost of energy. And with that, while we're out on the road, I miss a lot of nutrients and a lot of vitamins when I'm eating out. Panda Express, Whataburger. So AG1 helps me kind of fulfill those gaps that I'm missing on some of these weekend trips and even on some of these long weeks of bowling. It also helps me recover from some of those long car rides where I might get really stiff. It really is the easiest way to get some of those vitamins and nutrients that I miss in my really busy lifestyle. Now don't forget, check that link down below in the description to get an exclusive offer from AG1. Now let's get back to bowling.
That was a horrible shot. That didn't deserve 10 at all.
That's why I am a PBA professional, because I know how to create room, because if I don't, I'm not striking. PBA pros aren't accurate, they just create room. Yeah. That was flush.
That's all I throw. Just erase the last 2 frames.
I went 2 left, I'm going back 2 to the right. Yo, sticky, sticky.
That was awesome.
What? Like wrap the 10-pin. Oh my God.
I think it would have been even better if you left the 7-pin with it.
If I left the 7-pin with that, I would have shit my pants. Just kidding, I already shit my pants.
That's so gross. Why do you do that? Eesh.
Eesh.
Not my best effort.
Good news is you're a spare shooter.
I don't really know the right way to pick this up, because I've seen both ways.
I would hook at this with my spare ball.
You wouldn't shoot it like a 3, 6, 9, 10?
You could do that. I would do that. What did I leave last frame? The upper decker 10-pin? Can't believe that. What a bad break. Not at Brooklyn. We don't have to mention that. That's money. Oh yeah.
You carry that. I can't carry that.
I like never carry.
What frame was it that you did it? 2nd frame?
Or the 3rd, I'm not sure which one to be honest. I just feel like I'm not really a trip 6 kind of guy. I'm more of a messenger 7 kind of guy.
No, you're more of a Brooklyn guy.
I'm more of a Brooklyn, excuse me. I haven't gone Brooklyn once this match.
You went Brooklyn, you just didn't strike.
Yeah. You have to be as inaccurate as me, so when you miss, it goes Brooklyn. When you miss by a lot. Oh, yeah, baby. When you miss by a lot. I didn't miss by enough. That's what happens when you just don't focus on anything. My God.
Miss. 1. Yes. Nice. Good job there. Good 6th frame.
I said I wasn't focusing, and then I just picked my spare ball up from the rack and just started walking, and I missed a spare.
Whoa.
Yes.
Sticky over there. Be careful over there.
It is sticky, I will say. It's just like, I can strike whenever I want. I just don't want to strike.
Do you usually talk to yourself when you're like...
On the approach? Absolutely.
Yeah.
Reminded myself when I was up there to throw better shots. That's pretty good. Oh!
I always trip 4 pins, and I have yet to do it today.
Do you really feel like you always trip 4 pins?
Oh yeah, for sure. Have you seen my Instagram account?
I'm like the Instagram manager for you. What do you mean?
You're not my Instagram manager.
Basically Madison's social media manager. So you can follow her at Madison Janack Bowler. Madison Janack Bowling. Bowling.
Madison Janack Bowler.
Sounds like something a social media manager.
Oh my God, hook. Thank God.
Dude, I'm on the PWBA tour. I gotta make my spares.
Thank God. And I'm on the PBA tour where we split a bunch, but you know, we strike even more. I'll bet all of you guys 1 click of the subscribe button that I strike on this shot. Oh, that's so good. All right, looks like you guys don't have to subscribe. But I mean, if you want to because you feel bad for me, you can. So I mean, you know, it's up to you. It's up to you.
That's still a spare ball.
I was nervous.
I need just like silence because every time I'm like in my backswing, what do I hear? You talking.
Catch me talking in the backswing again. All right, good shot here.
Dude.
What? What you want? You trying to dance? Do you want a redo? I'll give
Nope,
you.
it's fine.
I'll give you a redo if you want it. Push. Why don't you high five?
You're just a bad opponent to go against.
Switch to right-handed?
Yeah.
Tell me I won't.
Okay. You won't.
Bet that.
Bet it.
Check me out with this right-handed strike. I'm up 20. There's no chance I lose this game.
You also have to pick it up right-handed.
That's easy.
Okay.
Spares are easy. Oh, that's so bad. It's still on. I mean, the DV8 logo was still on my axis. I guess that was kind of cool. All right, good luck. You still have a chance to take the lead here. I'm just letting you know. You better focus up. I'm also bowling the 10th frame right-handed regardless. I'm just letting you know.
I don't think I could have thrown it better than that.
Hook.
That's better.
It's hooking so much. Oh, she got a little chunk out of her now. That's why it's my practice spare ball. Does anybody else have a practice spare ball? Oh my God, that ball just hangs up on my hand.
It just hooked right there.
It just hooked too early.
You post your second shot better than you do your first shot. I will have to say.
My first shot's always way better.
I know what I need. You don't have to tell me.
9 spare 7.
Yeah. Oh my baloney.
If you spare 7, I mean we tie, so just saying. Yeah, throw this one left-handed, see what happens.
So I will get 0.
You've already gotten 7 twice.
Yeah, but that's like before I was like, you know, kind of lined up.
Uh-oh.
You didn't have to go right-handed. It's a nice bowling.
Let me strike right-handed. Let me just see if I can do it. Just to show you guys that if I wanted to, I could. I'll be practicing for the next 8 hours right-handed. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching. I appreciate it. And for those of you who want to follow along, just click that subscribe button down below and we'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.